Sino yung magaling sumayaw, bibigyan ko ng prizes. Okay, come on! Ayan sa'yo, come on! Mamimili si Kuya Cloud ng best dancer. Ayan na, come on! Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin our best dancer, si Kuya! Ay, wow, magaling sumayaw kasi si Kuya eh. Alright, so these are kids. Okay, so we will start now our second game, okay? Because our second game is what we call the longest say breath. Okay? Bakit natin? Okay, so...
Happy birthday, Carolina.
Wow! He got 40 counts! Palagpakan naman natin kay our first player. Okay, so isa yung Kuya, bakit your line? Okay, so how about si ate? Try natin si ate or little girl. Okay, so what's your name? Macy. Is it correct, Macy? Okay, so ate Macy, how old are you? How old are you? 3. 4. O, hayaan na natin kasi bata pa naman. Ganyan talaga pa mga bata. Okay, so, ate, this time, ate, may tanong si Kuya Cloud. Okay, so, what do you want to be when you grow up? You like a doctor, nurse, or chef? Ano, ate? Wow! Everybody come in and say, our future doctor! Okay, saan po ang mami at saka daddy nito? Ayun si mami at daddy. Sir, ma'am, ngayon pa lang ipon-ipon na po tayo. Alam na ko na yung kurso kukunin niya. Okay, so this time after you shout, Happy birthday, Paulina!
Happy birthday,
Oh, there we go! Ano ba kami yung sounds of her? Okay, she got 10 counts! Okay, so this time naman, dapat yung line. Thank you so much po lang yung mga pangalan nyo.
Ryan! Ryan! Ryan!
Igual a Fred, isa Fred. Si Juan. Hindi. Dapat. Ayaw. Hindi. Ikaw. Sige na. Kaya mix ka namin.
Players! Okay, so this time, don't worry po, isigil lang po tayo. Bibig lang, tsaka tila lang ang gagamitin natin sa larong ito. Okay? So, these are for our next game. Our first game for the adult is what we call Okay, there you go. And first right ammo for our next one. Okay, watch this. Alright, guys, for our next balloon, what color is this? It's a sky blue or blue. Okay, kids? Ano ang Tagalog ng blue? Okay, ginagamit ito ng mga kings, knights, and warriors, and also the princess. Okay, so what is your answer na guys? Okay?
Sword!
Okay, sword. Yes, correct. Palapakan po natin. Okay, for you na ba kumain? Okay, kids, ano ang Tagalog ng sword?
Sundang.
Ano ang Tagalog ng sword? Ano si ate? Espada. Very good. So, mga adults tayo ngayon, ha? Okay, adults, ano po ang Bisaya ng espada? Sundang. Sundang is wrong. Okay, next video na lang po tayo, okay? And for our next one, watch this. Alright, so listen kids, I will give you a clue. What kind of...
Op! Stop, magaganti ka. Bibi. Gila ka dong.